campsite setup. Ay, ayun si 30. Back up. Naka-back up parking. Yung iba empty. Ito mga first come first serve basis. Tapos yung iba nandun naka-reserve sila. So ito si 30. Diyan yung ibang gamit. Timba for water because there's no water supply in here. At aming washroom. Ayan. Kompleto yan sa loob. May timba. Of course, may tabo. Tabo for the win. Mga toiletries. Ayan yung tent namin. Sobrang laki. 3 lang kami. I'll show you later. May gazebo. Aming lutuan. And of course, our driver and siya yung tour guide assist taga aming yan pa kaming extra just in case duyan. Tapos may duyan din dun si Sharky doon. Gamit si mother. Hello there. Okay. Tingnan natin yung tent inside. Naka-ready na yung mga namin. Yung, kita mo ba yun? Yan. Kita na sila, bali nakapalibot. I'll show you later. Ay, nakapaikot. Mas maganda siguro mamayang gabi. So, let's see our tent. Yan.
Sersan yan?
Happy.
Window, singing a simple song, a vibe so pure and good, telling me all day long, saying this is the feeling for you. Singing, hey now, now, worry about nothing, no, just feel the beat, worry about nothing, no, 'cause every little rhythm's gonna move your feet, everything will be so sweet.
Okay, let's check our tent. Bulabugin natin ang nasa loob. Ang aming gamit. Medyo magulo pa. Bed. Si mother tulog. Tulog sa kanyang malantong na kama. Isang galaw. Maharot agad. At tuloy siya na.
Morning, baby.
Morning, breakfast time.
Breakfast time.
Egg. Egg lang ang kaya.
Wow. Hello, Ma. Hello, Mother. Coffee time.
Tubig.
Look at that. Hello, Ma.
Ayan po yung Aldrin.